Checking in with you at Old Street Roundabout. This is where the tech companies are in London. It's called Silicon Roundabout. I want to talk about smartphones, and I want to give you just a little tip on how you can think about inbound content, messages, news, anything that comes in through your smartphone this exam season, and how you can think about what you do as a reaction to that notification. Is it urgent? Is it important? If it's those two things, then react to it. If it's neither of those two things, don't worry about it, just leave it. It can be handled after your revision session. Think about that, those two things, treat everything that comes through your smartphone through that lens, and you will be getting better results come results day. Have a good one.